Hey guys, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Xpedia, where we hope for the education which is applicable and practical. So till now, if you have just completed your 8th, okay, or you have just now you have entered to 9th, you have solved many simple equations like this, and it was easy using trial and error method, or sending the LHS to RHS and many more. But now you have to solve another kind of equations. You know what kind of equations they are. So if you see any equation like this, then or okay, we'll change this. Okay, then how will you able to solve them? So these are known as quadratic equations actually, because the power which you are seeing here is 2. The highest power is 2 here. We don't have anything higher than 2, 3, 4. So when the highest power, we'll call it as order, or you can normally call it as highest power, is 2, then we will call the equation as quadratic equation. Here we have nothing, that means it's 1, right? The highest power is 1. So this shows, this is linear equation because it has the power as 1, highest power as 1. Okay, here we have 2. So normally this linear equations we will be able to solve, like trial and error or by sending LHS to RHS. But now equations like this are solved using factorization. Okay, now we will know factorization, explanation of factorization, and make sure that you practice as possible as many questions you can, so that you get a grip in this topic. So now let's get started. We'll start explanation with an example itself, because most of them understand through an example. Okay, here we have a question: 5x square plus or minus, okay, minus 7x plus 2. Okay, this is the question given. Then we have 4 steps nearly to solve this. The first step is to multiply these two terms, first and last. So here, if to make you understand more better, quadratic equations will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Yes or no? This is quadratic equation, right? This is a, this is b, this is c. Quadratic equations are always in this form. Here x square and b, and here x. Okay, got it? So here 5 is known as a and 2 is known as c. So we will multiply a into c first. So that means 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. Sorry, let me rub it and write it again. Okay, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Got it? Now this is a step 1. What do we do is, what will be the possible factors of 10? 10 ones are 10, 1 tens are 10. So we have to express 10 as product of two numbers here. Okay, how many ever it is possible, you have to express in this way. So 5 twos are 10, 10 ones are 10, 1 tens are 10, no other, right? So now what do we do is, first we'll take the first one. You either have to add them or subtract them or take them to the stage of integers, okay, I mean negative. So here we have to get, even if you add, you subtract, or you do anything else with these two numbers using addition and subtraction, you have to get the answer as minus 7. So 5 plus 2 is plus 7. We want minus 7. So plus 7 is not equal to minus 7. 5 minus 2 is equal to plus 3. So plus 3 is not equal to minus 7. So minus 5 minus 7 is equal, minus 2 is equal to minus 7. Yes or no? Now what do we do is, we will split the middle term. Okay, we will split the middle term. How? Minus 5 minus 2, minus 5x minus 2x. So this will be the minus 7x will be the middle term. That means we are splitting it, we are expanding it. Okay, plus 2. Got my point? Now to make it comfortable, I'm providing you another step to make you understand more better. So 5x square can be written as 5 into x, right? Okay, let me rub this and do it with another color. Okay, minus 5 into x. Okay, so this is one part, this is one part. Okay, we will divide. So we have first step is we done this and then we divided the middle term. Okay, not simply dividing the middle term. Okay, we have to divide the middle term with those numbers, using those numbers which are expressed as product of 10. 5 2s are 10, right? Okay, now after dividing we form two groups. This is one group and this is the other group. Now we will take case of this one. Okay, first group. Now we expanded the first group. This step need not be written, but to make you understand more better, I am doing this. So if you see here, 5x is common in both of them. Here we have minus and 5x is common in both of them. We'll take 5x common and multiply. So first to get 5x square, this one, what do we do? 5x into x is 5x square. After that we have minus 5x into 1 is 5x. Okay, got my point? Now it's done. Now we are done with this group 1. Now we'll go into the group 2. Okay, here we have, again we will expand this. Okay, this one will expand this, so we can write it as minus 2 into x plus 2 can be written as minus 2 into minus 1. Minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, we got plus 2, right? So yeah, it can be written in that way. So if you ask how will we remember, how we will know that we have to split in this way, it comes out with practice. That is the reason I am asking you to practice, okay, more. So we have, again, these are both like in both of them, in this and this, we have minus 2 as common. Now we'll take minus 2 as common over here. Okay, and minus 2 into x and minus 2 minus 1. Okay, got it? Minus 2 into whatever it is there, plus x is, we have plus x, and minus 2 into minus 1. Got it? Now what you have to do is, we have minus x1 as common. Okay, x minus 1 and after that we have 5x minus 2 bracket 5x minus 2. You have to write in this x minus 1 5x minus 2. So this is the answer, not answer, 90% of the problem is done over here. Now we'll go into the rest 10%. We got 5x minus 2 we have my 5x minus 2 into x minus 1, right, is equal to 0. Okay, now 5x minus 2, if we send x minus 1 to RHS, here we are multiplying x minus 1 with 5x minus 2. If we send it to RHS, it becomes division. So 0 by x minus 1 is 0, 0 by anything is 0. Now 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, 5x is equal to 2, because if we send minus 2 from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 2, and x is equal to 2 by 5, because 5 when sent from LHS to RHS, it becomes by 5. Okay, the problem is still not completed. 5 more percent is left. Okay, x is equal to 2 by 5 here. If at all we send, instead of sending x minus 1 to RHS, if we send 5x minus 2, then what happens? X minus 1 is equal to 0 by 5x minus 2. X minus 1 will be equal to 0. Yes or no? So x will be equal to 1 because minus 1 when goes from LHS to RHS it becomes plus 1. So x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 by 5. X can be 2 by 5, x can be 1. So we have two solutions for x. Okay. So this is how we do factorization. So this is just explanation part. Okay. If you want to solve more problems with me, it's like a kind of combined studies. Okay. If you want to solve a few more problems with me, we will have part 2. We will do part 2 where we will solve some as many as questions we can regarding factorization, so you get more grip on it. So that's it for this video. If you want any kind of video or any help on which we can help out regarding maths, we'll do it for you. And make sure that you share it for your friends or anyone who needs this video, and subscribe for notifications and like it for support, so that we'll understand to like which extent we have done. This is not for that it's a professional kind. It's a kind of reply which you give to us. This subscribe button which you press or like or comment, it is a kind of reply. So make sure that you respond in negative or positive way. We are ready to accept it. Thank you.